Oyo, what's good YouTube? This is a boy place that's good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm back with another banger. As you can see, guys, asurara guys. Tukufamba trimba sisi tsvaga nyaya dzevanhu. Tichita sisi. Ine ndiri masisi momo ndasangana neTikToker vachitoshuta kondedza vana kati aiwa munosimborwa vamwe. Nhasi getese get enemy maiziya. Anyways guys, it's another dollar couples exchange phones for 6 seconds out here in Amino Kambuzume kana Aspindio Park kuma new stands. Ma new stands guys. Anyways tapana pana mkomongo Sonya tamsangwa sezwa mukuona kuti kwa kutodoka vira and swara kutopinda muna mai varo andika. Saka imi ndipana pani nani? Bellingham. Asi muri club ebora kana kuti muri play ebora muri chi?
Ndama bora Scotland.
Chabora. Muri chambra Scotland? Mabira. Okay. Guys, ezongona tinkomana kumabira. Nani panapo? Black Barbie. So I'm gonna na Black Barbudo na mabira. Saka what's gonna happen kama na ina donzo tamsango yenyu ndio itasmalo test because vana kwa na praise kwanza mnama to praise kwanza say I don't want to waste much of your time. Don't go vunze quick questions and then I want you guys to exchange my phones but get garana mabata because anzi wana say wano delete machine andika makapenga. So manaka what you want to do today is ndotanga ndavunza koma kuchishikero mde mwana.
Akanaka zvukuti.
Wangona kula mwana. Okay. Kushikero Memphis.
Type yangu.
Okay, koma chingaita zonzo muna makuzoramba nani munhu anenge achita. I mean, ndakutomoka. But anyways, chingazoti muti maramba munchi.
Akachita akatobuka.
Akachita. Ko zvimwe.
Kuhura.
Kuchita kana kuhura. Ko kuno.
Same.
Anyways guys, zvazvinoita zonzo vanhu vanochita vade kuchitwa and we're about to find out if there's anyone who is cheating or kana pasina kuchita anyone who is cheating and who is being cheated on. Andika. Right. So okay. Chazo phone yani gidepera. Yako ndi totanga exchange phones. Usual. What I mira deso. Ndikupe mface.
Ayo ko izwe kuningina mafoni ndo zvinenge.
Maya totanga mface tizopeza ne yako. Usual wazolopeza ne yaska. Tone. Samari yako iri singwere.
Ayo asisi.
Mira tange ne yako. Yotanga isa yako kuno. Anyways guys, couples exchange phones for 6 seconds. We're out here in Aspindio Park. I don't know. Get so if names kana tipe yako yo
uneso unazo chetewo uri telefoni muomwe
kapo inenge kuchitana nechita ore bo tipe yako tanzi yako kwasho
uyu anodzunga iro
amana kapo zese chibate mskana. Right about now we are about to check into the expedition of the Mujolo to see if there's anything going on. My sister, go on WhatsApp and I think you've been waiting for this moment for the whole
I'm actually wallpaper.
Yay. But anzi kuiswa pa wallpaper or kuiswa pa profile picture doesn't make you kuti munhu anokuda. Even kana mosquito iri pa panozobashi pa wallpaper redoom. Do you know doom? But ndiye kuuraya. Or keep on searching. Go on WhatsApp. Search morning after. Nudes. 6. Name time chijilita. Munu. Alright.
I think phone yake iri clean but there's this Rachel. I think
maybe it's just a friend or something. Who is Rachel mda?
Rachel ndokuchechu.
Munopinda 7th day.
Akanaka see you looking sexy.
Compliment. Maybe complimentary. I stand with my brother. Maybe it's a compliment.
Okay.
Compliment. But it's a rule zorwe. Amuna. Rachi. Anzi Rachi. Makupupa nefuro rekwa Rachi. Yes.
Chini pa phone yanga njatode.
Iwe. Asugoni. Mira chiwe.
Because ndiani anonzi Rachi.
Maybe it's just a friend, a church friend.
Maybe
just a church friend.
It's okay. You won't go to Rachi. Nina.
I look for iwe. So Rachi does say your girl is dramatic. How do you manage your drama all the time?
But it's not necessary, guys.
It's necessary. What do you mean it's not necessary? What do you rambo check yake?
Anda ingwe
iwe. Guys, we out here tapo a phone. Sister waka kwambo mira dotinge munhu akambochika benzi. Anyways, go to WhatsApp my brother. Waenda ku WhatsApp ndoda usearch zvinhu zvichana michatangwa search I love you. Waiza post ndakuona kuti ndiwe gori kubudere kokona kuti waiza ndiwe gonfara ngochoose kana achitombokuza. Kana washaya what do you think? Hold on. Ndiwe ripo. Ndoda usearch kana kuti morning after 6 nudes money everything. Is another dollar couple session phones for 6 seconds out here in Aspindio Park. You are about to see if you can break this relationship into 2 pieces. And since love doesn't exist in Zimbabwe, love doesn't exist. You know that. Abana. Such news. Come outside. Everything. Yes, go to Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok. She's a TikToker. She's a TikToker.
Can I have my phone?
Wait, we are about to invade your privacy. She's a TikToker, right? Don't worry. We'll do in for you. check also kunonzi ku TikTok. She's a TikToker. Aiwa handiri pabasa. Mati zadaro iwe.
Wati come outside.
Come outside, yeah. Cannot. I'm outside. I'm home, baby. I'm such a come.
Kana ngoti babe.
You're gonna baby. My love. Sweetie. It's another day, guys. I'm gonna view and ndikuona the most beautiful view.
Utangana ndimbori 1 2.
Cameraman. No. Naona the most beautiful view kuzazo, but anyways, sichengo mama chaka kunonzi ku TikTok. Museche ku TikTok because ku TikTok kuniko kwakazara zvima artists izvo azvinzi ndikoko. Why are you shaking, my brother? I was not about anything but ya tatazela.
Anzi
Ya
David
shaking.
ngeupiwa.
Anzani?
David.
Shamwari yangu kuchechi.
Unono chechi reo.
Koti andiri TikToker vanhu vanondifarire rege.
So unzara nishamwari chechi ku TikTok.
Anonditanga kakuti.
Unoenda ku chechi ku ando chechi reo. Ando chechi reo. Do you even go to church?
Unondo chechi kupi?
Oziyo chechi kwandoenda.
Ando chechi ku baba ubva kuoneka chira ku chechi.
Ndinoenda apo neapo ingawani. Ndinomboenda apo neapo kule kumaraini. Kumaraini auiziye. Nombrofoni yangu guys.
Mira sata pizzo. Keep on searching. Tombo believer for now it is
Tomboti.
it's a church brother. You don't look like someone who goes to church. You look like someone who goes to that church. Church. Maybe
Bye-bye,
that
miss
church. And Black Bible miss you. My TikTok guys, my advice to you, never date a TikToker. Why? Those TikTokers, wait, Mira, wait. Drop upon lecture. Wait. Mira upon advice. Amanaga, wait, Mbomira sister, my brother. Guys, I wanna give you a advice, Andika. Never date a TikTok or a girl who do social media. Why? Those girls they get exposed kuzinhu zvakawanda every day. Vanoita exposure kuzinhu zvakasiyana siyana every day. Let me tell you. Vanoona vanhu vakasiyana siyana every day. You can never be better than he loves all this bullshit. Go why are you rushing?
Ngatingoende baby.
I don't bother for munombopa phone mdara.
Atomboipiwa.
He has been waiting for this moment for his whole life. Vachizvaro chake.
Ndichade ndibofoni yangu.
Auchade iye kana.
Auchade nini kana?
Achade whatever the guys ashana kids guys. Mobile phone yangu, that's my privacy guys. That's my privacy. Mune family member.
Aiwa, we not check. Dada security sekuru vanoroya vekugweru kana kupita pamwe we invite. Kana sekuru anondungi tu. Isusu soseja dzemujolo. Dzemujolo is not part of the family members. Search out. Relax. Anzi aloka uchiti risasa basa. Indau nyare. Guys, they always shake if they are doing something.
I think we should you know.
Should what?
Call it a day.
Kefi yekuta sei. Hai, ndo da utenge zifu munhu akambotsira mbadhora akashama. Brother, keep on searching. Masaya ku WhatsApp na Facebook.
Kadanga ngatimudzukira WhatsApp.
Dzukira ku WhatsApp. Enda kuma kana load kwese enda kana kwese. Kuma archived. Chi? Udachi? Ataurisa vakunzi udachi?
Asi munozivana.
Andombomuziye ndongomfollow pa TikTok. I'm a content creator pa ntoropa.
Anombrofoni yangu.
Iwe.
Anombrofoni yangu.
Phone yekuta seko.
Pa chat ro bude mchati.
Bude mchati roro.
Bude
mchati roro. Sabude ramborimo. Ramborimo.
Bebu unozondokuda bebu sabara. Amgomana ndo muda again. So ndiparadziro.
Saka yo chati ndo noparadza. Shimira cheke chati roro. Check that chat.
Pakati.
My sister. Ina mdazi zonyaso desa.
Pamwe ndindi kutadza pakati.
My sister. Read it for yourself.
Uyoverengi andoni
Read it for yourself. What did you really enjoy it? Zoka panapa. What did you really enjoy it? My brother, keep on searching the phone. Okay, so now that's the reason why we went out to do some chat.
Dinner, guys. Just dinner. Sure, guys. There's nothing else. Give me my phone. I'm gonna do
it. I'm gonna shoot song. Abo chatongo zvimba zvako ka. Chigaika mpeka phone kake anika.
I want me at speed.
Okay, you tell us what you're doing with this guy. Wango chibude mchat market because you knew kuti this chat is going to break your marriage.
Kuti ndikuchita ere? Ndikuchita. Aya, you want
me. Mira. Wangoenda kudina akamira sani. What it's okay.
Kuti ndikuchita ere? Kuti ndikuchita ere?
Saka bakuta sini.
Iwe unza phone. Wamondrukisa msoro one day. Wamondrukisa msoro. Wamondrukisa
Di address.
Iwe.
Wewe mburukiswa na nduro vunza.
Wamondrukisa msoro. wamonditengera hembe zvandakapfeka zvinoita unongoziva kuti nice hairstyle iyai munhu yendi aundurukisa musoro pefoni yangu
andimurukisa ana waberekere
before iye
wamborukiswa nani neiyeye mukomana yeye waona foni mumunhu nomurofoni yangu
saka iwewe kana
saka mpeso wako here so you're cheating
dola
uri nonhongwe rodotwe rodonamutere
mukomana yeye anondijairira uri kuzvinzwa mukomana yeye
wait iwe shama iwe ndio uri kuchita you are the one who is cheating badoko nzadzama panapo
aiwa handisi kuchita inini
so uri kuita sei
ndikuita zvozondira meshitanana naye mukomana because hana mari uri broke iwewe ndazvozondira meshitanana newe unza foni
wait let me say the wait it's okay it's first toka momdire wait it's first toka momdire kwani mbosho yangu ere
uya pana ukona uyu ndanotikanganisa relationship yedu
uyu atogona tikutomutenda
wangu udo blame nini do you wanna blame me for chifebe chako wait let me ask you it first toka momdire asina mari because we are getting this problem every day kuti vaskara out anzi hana mara udo kwa momdire ko munhu wacho udo kwa momdire okay
ungafungoita sei
anzo ungafungoita sei
ungochitoita sei mubate nomukwadzo
ngati gasike foni achina pana gasike pasi pana andirayo mira set mira papo guys sasipedzerane ko guys ameno sanother day mira murove mudzemure guys sanother right zebra zvakwana ai mira mamba makwana
regwa mtsake
wait my sister wait we are not fighting you yo guys, we didn't expect it was gonna end like this. Another day couple of exchanging phones for 6 seconds. My brother, what are you going to do there? She's leaving, she's going. What are you going to do there? Yeah. My ass, my ass, relax, my brother. That took save a moment. Why is it?
One save a baby.
One go cheat on the moon, Isha.
Yeah?
One go cheat on the moon. What are you going to do there?
What am I going to do with you?
My ass, that took save a moment.
One save a Sabandu number.
Mambo yase. Come on.
Yeah?
Guys, it's another day. Couples are sending your phones for 6 seconds. We out here asking your park. They're doing the most. They always cheat. You feel me? They always cheat. They always I don't know, man. But what I want to say is, if you're dating a content creator, see an naso with this. Unofanya kucheat kwa. Unogara on stress. My content creators, they find the one better each and every day. They'll get one better each and every day. Never date a content creator for your own peace. Couples exchange phones for 6 seconds. Another day, another $1. We didn't expect it to end like this, but I bet guys, thank you for watching the video to the end. Please, can you go to Munyo, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to keep on checking out my videos. Don't forget to support everyone. My boy behind the camera, Dario KD. Yo. So that I should show God, ladies, they will say, you're broke, you're this and that. But at first, why did you date him when I'm broke? At first, I love you. Why did you say I love you too? Guys, ngatirege kufamba tine pfungwa dzechuri musoro, ngatirege kufamba tine mentality yekufeba musoro. Musikana gutsikana nezvaonazvo. Ziya kuti mukomana haasi baba wako, ziya kuti mukomana haasi mwana wamai wako, ziya kuti mukomana haasi mubereki wako. He's not your blesser. Some of us, we are just trying, bro. We are just magetoids parikuzama kutsvaka pekubuda napo, and then you expect us kukupai the little that we have. You're expecting us to spend the savings that we have to spend for you. This is not fair. Just do what you're doing before ndawaya. Just do zvawaita sandawaya. Rukiswa nayo kurukisa sandawaya. Rukiswa na baba wako, rukiswa na mai wako. It's not my responsibilities, bruh. It's not my job, bruh. It's not my... Why should I take care of you? I'm so pissed off. That song was the last episode again. There's some kind of that was doing the same. This one again, doing the same. Why should you keep up with the standard in your life? I mean, like, bro, am I supposed to take care of guys, I don't even know how to tell you. I don't even know how to say it, but to be honest, I'm so pissed off. Like, I'm so pissed off. I have one of my exes that I used to tell, Sha, I'm not your father. I'm not the one who's supposed to take care of your bills. I love you, but your bills, deal with them, wega. What is it? Shanaka. We date, we grow together. To Danana, then we grow and grow and grow. We go big and better. No, I'm not a father, bro. Why should I take care of you? Why? Anyways, guys, another day, another dollar. Couple of things for 6 seconds. It's another day, another dollar. Out here and ask me they're breaking relationship for a living. Guys, don't forget to check out my vlogs. Don't forget to like, comment, share my content. Let me know the content that you want. If you have a break one relationship, I'll come there. Just 1 call away. Those one channel promotions, don't forget to hit me up. What grows on my channel, I can make your channel grow. I can make your channel get some numbers. With only Mari, when you come to DM. Also, it's a business number, plus 276-196-43402. Plus 276-196. I'm so pissed off. Whatever. But if you want channel promotions, hit me up. I beg guys, girls, please don't be like that, man. It's very bad. It's very bad. Like, cameraman, it's very bad. Why should we take care of you? And I'm here to be bro. We just market out to try to kubuda. Feel me? We out here in the streets. We see cool breaking relationship, all the fake relationships. But Christmas, but New Year, everywhere. But birthday, the phone area. I'll pull up there. I'll come finish that fucking fake relationship. I don't play. Anyways, another day, another dollar. Breaking relationship for a living is one of my niches, one of my careers, one of the things that is putting food on the table. You see this? Everything bought by breaking relationships. Don't forget to check out another episode. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. More vlogs to come. Guys, I'm so like, I don't even know. Anyways, guys, don't forget to suggest content in the comment section. I'll keep on giving you. If you want to do collaboration with me, don't forget to hit me up. If you want to do my brand deals with me, don't forget to hit me up. If you want to do podcasts and stuff, don't forget to meet me up. Everything, man. Get them papa situation ngekuti unowaplanira kuti ndindosvika pavari papa kwaenda kudate kana musikana wako mudeze. We do that. If you want to test your partner out ari kuchita kana asikuchita ndifonere shapreze nguva dzakati akagara mutyenini svikira kuti ngokuvloga musikana wako akangoramba kuti tite exchange phones kana mukomana wako akangoramba tora dai so just pay mari yako in drive nemari makulayo you come topedza deal. It is. I beg guys, thank you for watching to the end. Please make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. My name is Chris Magara. I'm now going home to sleep. I'm so pissed off. No gonna lie, so pissed off. Anyways, do what you're doing best and I'll keep on doing what I'm doing best. My name is Chris Magara.